5
This is
into
equal to
plus
1
plus 2
plus
into
2
x plus 3 into x cube.
3 into x. So usually we write the coordinate vector symbol like this. Suppose I call this basis as alpha, I can write this as alpha. That is coordinate vector of 5 plus 2x plus 3x square with respect to alpha is nothing but collect all these coefficients 5, 2, 3. This 5, 2, 3 is called the coordinate vector corresponding to the vector 5 plus 2x plus 3x square with respect to the basis 1x square. Just for my convenience, I am giving alpha the name so that I can here mention it as alpha. Right? So this is the first part. This is very simple. By easy observation, you can write. Second basis is 1 plus x square, x plus x square. I take alpha to be 1 plus x square, x plus x. Right? This is your alpha. So now what I should do is, this should be written as a linear combination. We cannot write this directly. Here I know I wrote it. So here I should find it. So what are those constants in such a way that I can write this? So I need to find the constant C1, C2 and C3. Okay, tell me. Can you just equate the coefficients? So left side 5. Constant I'm equating. Right side C1
plus C2
plus C2 plus C2. Okay, correct. Then equate the coefficient of x.
2 equal to C1
So 2
plus C3
C1 plus C3.
and then
3 equal to
C2
plus C3.
So you have to solve this. So what I can do is, from here I can find C1 equal to 2 minus C3. And from here, C2 is equal to 3 minus C3. So both I have found out in terms of C3. Now I'll substitute that here in the first equation. So just remember, C1 is 2 minus C3, C2 is 3 minus C3. C1 plus C2 is 5. C1 is 2 minus C3, C2 is 3 minus C3. So can you please solve this? 5 gets cancelled. So C3 is 0. Right? So very easy. C1 is 2, C2 is 3, C3 is 0. So 5 plus 2x plus 3x square is 2 times 1 plus x, 3 times 1 plus x square plus 0 times x plus x square. Right? So 5 plus 2x plus 3x square with respect to alpha, the coordinate vector is, can you say, what is that? What is the coordinate vector?
2, 3, 0.
2, 3, 0. Clear? You understood what you mean by coordinate vector?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll proceed. The next is matrices of linear transformation. Very important concept. What I do is, T is a linear transformation from V to W. V to W. B has a basis V1, V2, etc. Vn, and W has a basis W1, W2, etc. Wm. So what is the dimension of V? Dimension of V is n. Dimension of W is all are sleeping. Dimension of
W is
m.
M.
M. So what I'm going to do now is, see, each and every basis element I'm going to use linear transformation. Where does V1 goes? It goes to T of V1. It goes to T of V1. And that T of V1 right? Always trace about basis elements. Just try to find where do the basis elements go. Okay, so whenever you are trying to find about the basis elements, automatically you can say about the other elements, because the other elements are in terms of basis elements, right? So V1 goes to T of V1. Now my aim is I'll try to write T of V1 in terms of this basis, because T of V1 is an element of W, right? So I should try to write T of V1 in terms of the basis. So C11 W1, so C21 W2 plus etc. C N1 W M1, sorry, M1 W. Similarly, V2 goes to T of V2. Then again, I should write that as a linear combination. Like this way, I have to write. And what is my matrix? There is certain terminology called matrix of the linear transformation. What is that matrix? What is this T of V1? What I am writing? Suppose if I collect C11, 2, 1, etc. CM1. Can you say what is that? Just now we studied one concept. It is called the
Coordinate vector.
Yes, coordinate vector of what?
Of V1.
V1 illapa, T of V1.
T of V1.
Okay, T of V1.
T of V1 with respect to which basis? Suppose I call this as alpha, this as beta. Which basis?
Beta.
Beta. Okay. So, what is the matrix of the linear transformation? I write the coordinate vector of T of V1 with respect to beta, that is your first column, and T of V2 with respect to beta, that is the second column. Like that, I write all the columns. N columns will be there, right? T of Vn with respect to beta. So, and in each column, how many elements are there? Can you see? Can you see this? C11, 21, etc. M1. So in each column, how many elements are there?
M.
M elements. So what type of matrix is this? Now I have formed a matrix. What type of matrix is this? N columns I am making, and in each column M row elements are there. So what type of matrix? What is the size of the matrix?
N cross M.
M cross N matrix. M cross N matrix. That is called the matrix of the linear transformation. So just have this in idea. They have covered all these things, but if you read, just don't waste time. We'll go to the problems. We'll take a problem. We'll do more problems. We'll try to understand. Take down this question. Let T from T1 of R to T2 of R. We just take down the question and then see. Till here you take down. Question is, find the matrix. Find the matrix T alpha to beta. This one. Find the matrix T alpha to beta. I'll tell you what is the matrix.
I really like the time better for you because maybe you will come to because after definitely I will not do it. So better. Yeah. Two questions now.
I think hope you have taken down the question.
I will send for the class does not mean I will not.
Yes, ma'am.
That will completely over or the correction over. I give it 0 for already picked up. I give it 0.
So what is a linear transformation? T is from P1, right? P1 to P2. T is from P1 to P2, right? What is P1? Set of all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 1. What is P2? Set of all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 2. Okay. So what is the dimension of P1? Dimension of P1. Better, I'll find somewhere. Today I'm going to mark you absent. I should not do this, but you're all keeping quiet. I don't know. Only 50 have joined today. What is the reason? So one have left the meeting now. Madhukar. Madhukar, are you there? Temba Madhukar.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can you say what is the dimension of P1?
Ma'am, I did.
Yeah, beta. What is the dimension? What is P1 first of all? Tell me what is P1?
Ma'am, I cannot see the question. I did not see the question, ma'am.
I am asking you. I am not saying the question. I am asking you P1 of R. What do you mean by P1 of R?
Oh, ma'am, it is 1 plus x.
1 plus x. Only one polynomial.
No, ma'am.
General
the
A
set
plus
of all
bx.
polynomials which with degree less than or equal to 1.
Equal to 1. General polynomial A plus bx. So what is the dimension of that?
2.
If you form a vector space out of that, all polynomials, what is the dimension of that?
Ma'am, it will be
2. Okay. So please, everybody, please listen here. Now you don't say I'm feeling hungry. Still time is there, right? So for P1, the basis is 1, x. This is for P1. For beta, let me call 1x square. This is the basis for P2. P2 is three-dimensional, right? 1x square.
Yes.
The question asked is find T alpha to beta. So if you listen one question, I think you will understand everything. Because finding the matrix of linear transformation is very easy. The thing is, first question, please listen. I need to find this, right? Okay. So what I told you, the basic concept is this is P1, this is P2. So in P1, take the basis elements, right? Try to find where does that go. 1 goes to where, x goes to where you have to find. So how they have defined the linear transformation? If you take T of P of x, any polynomial in P1, that goes to x times P of x. Any polynomial P of x goes to x times P of x. That is the way they have defined the linear transformation. So where does 1 go?
X.
X into 1. Here your P of x is 1, right? So it goes to x. Okay. So now it goes to x. What should I do? I should try to write this x as a linear combination of what? The basis in P2. What is the basis in P2? Beta, 1x square. So how do you write x in terms of 1x square? Very simple, right?
0,
Tell me.
1, 0.
It is 0 times 1 plus 1 times x plus 0 times x square. Right? Correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
0 times 1. So please don't feel bad. I should not treat you like school children. But the thing is, you people are not concentrated. Usually I never treat like you. Treat you people like this. Please try to concentrate. Because if you concentrate and study here itself, this module you need not go home and study again. It's that much easy. So what is T of x? Can anybody say? Here your P of x is x. So
X
what is
square.
T of x?
X square.
Huh?
X square.
X square.
X into x. X. So how to write x square?
0 times 1, 0 times x, and 1 times x square.
Yes. 0 times 1, 0 times x plus 1 times x square. So T of 1, the coordinate vector with respect to beta is, and T of 1 with respect to beta, the coordinate, T of x, the coordinate vector with respect to beta is? Can you say both?
0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1.
Correct. Yes. So this is 0, 1, 0. And this is 0, 0, 1. So what is the matrix of the linear transformation? Alpha to beta. That is here alpha and here beta. Alpha to beta is take an element of alpha, find the linear transformation, find the image of the linear transformation for each of the element of alpha and try to represent that image element in terms of beta. Okay. So now this is nothing but how do you form this matrix? T of 1 with respect to beta, T of x with respect to beta. These are the two columns of the matrix. So can you say what is T of 1 with respect to beta? You have written already 0, 1, 0. This should be the first column and this should be the second column. So you have got a 3 by 2 matrix. समझ में आ रहा है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes.
So, shall we do more problems? So that you will be thorough with this concept. Okay. This theorem and all I'll come later. First we'll understand the question. Okay, please take down the 4.15.
Anyone else required the mark? अभी देने वाली बात नहीं, इसमें चाहिए कितना है? अगर चाहिए तो बताओ। डाउट पड़ा उसके बाद बात है।
So have you taken down the question? T is from R square to R cube. Both sides at present they have given only what? Standard basis, right? Defined by T of x comma y. Okay. So question is find T of alpha to beta, right? So T is from R square to R cube, right? T of x comma y. So why I am taking x comma y? Because any element of R square is a pair, right? X comma y. So that goes to, have you taken down the question? 2x plus 3y, yeah? Bache, are you all there?
Ma'am, x plus 2y.
X plus 2y, 0 to x plus 3. Set. Okay. ठीक है, x plus 2y, 0, 2x plus 3. Correct? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me call alpha. What is the standard basis for R square?
Okay.
बच्चे बोलो standard basis for alpha for R square. What is that? E1, E2, right? So what is that E1, E2?
0, 1, 1, 0.
First to 1, 0, then 0, 1. Always, right? Don't change the order. Sometimes purposefully they change the order. That type of question is also there. We'll do it. Okay, then what is beta? E1, E2, E3. So that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? So question. They have asked you to find T alpha to beta. So can you say how to proceed? First what? Just to say what is the procedure? This is R square. This is R cube. T.
And for every element of R square, we have to find the representation in R cube after the transformation.
Okay. So what elements you have to find the image of?
1, 0 and 0, 1.
Yes. So I'll take the image of 1, 0 and 0, 1. And those elements, what I have to do? I have to represent them as a linear combination of the standard basis here. So here they have given standard basis, but not necessary. Whatever basis they specify, for that you have to do, right? Okay, tell me, where does 1, 0 go?
1,
Ah,
0, and 2.
oh. So can you write this as a linear combination of these three? Simple, yeah. 1 times 1, 0, 0 plus 0 times 0, 1, 0 plus 2 times 0, 0, 1. Correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next find T of 0, 1. What is T of 0,
2,
1?
0, 3.
2 and 0, 3.
2, 0, 3. So it is nothing but 2 times 1, 0, 0 plus 0 times 0, 1, 0 plus 3 times 0 is 1. Okay. So what is T of 1, 0 with respect to beta? What is this? Coordinate vector. 1 minute, I'll call somebody. Don't answer.
How much do you have now?
Charu? Charu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Peter. Can you please say what is T of 1, 0, this coordinate vector? This is called the coordinate vector of T of 1, 0 with respect to beta. Okay, what is that?
Ma'am, it would be
It could be
ma'am, I'm a little confused. Like, where we have to put it? In x plus 2y 0 and 2x plus 3y. So according to that, it would be 1, 0 and 2.
that and all we have completed. Yeah, I'm asking you the coordinate vector. Are you here? We completed all those things. Just see.
Yes, ma'am. One thing was 1 into x, 1 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square. I'm not sure,
Where are
ma'am. I couldn't attend that part actually. I had to attend my grandmother. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Ma'am,
that's
I
it.
had to attend my grandmother. I needed to assist her to the washroom. So I had, when you had started this question, I went away from the
Sure.
computer.
Okay. No,
I'm sorry, ma'am.
no problem. Okay. So beta, this question, see, 1 T of 1, 0, I have written this way, right? 1, 0 goes to 1, 0, 2 and 0, 1 goes to 2, 0, 3, right? 1, 0, 2, I have written that as a linear combination of these three elements, right? What linear combination are used? 1 into 1, 0, 0, 0 into 0, 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1. So you have to collect these coordinates 1, 0, 2. That is the coordinate vector. Okay, va? Charu, can you say the next one then? T of 0, 1, beta. Just I have already completed. Just see that.
How much is required?
Where it is? Here. I have written that
203.
2, 0. That's okay. Good. So T alpha to beta, that is equal to how to write this? First column is this one, 1, 0.
1, 0. And 2,
Second
0.
column is 2, 0. Okay, bye. Everybody, can you please understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Feel that you have a doubt, you can tell. Okay, take down 4.15. That is also more important. Illa, 4.15 only we have done, right? 1 minute. See, 4.15 we have done, sorry. I need to say 4.15, this question, sorry. Take down this question.
Which one, ma'am?
4.12 bar, the topmost, the first question. This one you take.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
ma'am, can you show the previous slide where you were solving? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well, shall I proceed? Okay. Please take down this.
Another picture is over. Another picture is over. चलो बहुत होगा चलिए
Beta, have you taken down the question? Or even you can mention just.
कसं पोटू ना मग चौच्या नावापाशी खायला
Okay, so can you please help me with the linear transformation? So here actually the linear transformation is, can you say from where to where it goes? Bache, from where to where it goes?
R3 to R3.
R cube to R cube.
Yeah.
Yes. By the way it is defined itself. R cube element, R cube element. Okay. R cube to R cube. So T of X, Y, Z. What way they have defined? Bache. I ask you to take down that 2x minus 3y plus 4z. Yes, comma.
4z.
Then help me.
5x minus y plus 2z.
5x minus y, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 5x minus y plus 2z.
Comma.
4x plus 7.
4x
Plus 7y.
Okay. So here, the basis is only one basis here, right? Because both sides you have the same thing, right? So we have been asked to find T. Simply if they say T alpha means it is T alpha to alpha. They don't mention this. Another way of writing this is T alpha. Both are one and the same. Right? Because they won't say alpha to alpha. Simply they say T alpha. Right? This is the thing you need to find. And alpha is E1, E2, E3. Please be careful.
Ma'am, they gave beta also there.
Kya
Yes,
beta?
ma'am, they gave
Ma'am, they gave beta also there.
Wait. I'll complete alpha and then come to beta. Beta, there is a small change. Beta,
So
the order is changed.
So the mapping
E3
is not from alpha to beta, but it is for two different two different bases.
Yes. It is asked only for, see, read the question. Find the matrix representation is each of the following with respect to the standard basis, and both standard basis you have to find. They never said T alpha to beta. The way the order has changed now. Alpha is E1, E2, E3. Very important, yeah. In alpha, the basis will be considered this way: E1, E2, E3. Unless or otherwise specified, always we take E1 first, E2 second, E3 second. But in beta, they made a change. They have changed the order: E3, E2, E1. That's why we call the basis as ordered basis, right? So you'll come to understand that when I'm doing T beta. T alpha as usual will do. Okay, tell me how to do. Either be R cube, here also R cube. Okay. So here you take 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1. So you have to find where does these three elements go. Tell me where does T of 1, 0, 0 go. This is very simple here, this matrix.
2, 5, 4.
2, 5, 2.
4, ma'am. 2, 5.
So that is 2 times E1. Shall I write like that? 5 times E1 plus 4 times E2. So T of 1, 0, 0 with respect to alpha is 2, 5, 4. Then T of 0, 1, 0. What is T of 0, 1, 0? It is minus 3, minus 1, 7. So minus 3 E1, minus E2, plus 7 E3. So T of 0, 1, 0 with respect to alpha is minus 6. Same only it will come here because both sides standard basis, right? Very simple. To write the matrix, what you have to do is 2, 5, 4 is your first column. Minus 3, minus 1, 7 is your second column. 4, 2, 0 is the third column. Very simple. We are doing this unnecessarily, but just trying to understand. Then T of 0, 0, 1 is 4, 2, 0 is.
Okay for everyone.
So matrix is very simple. T alpha, that is T alpha to alpha, is nothing but first column. What is the first column? 2, 5, 4. Second column is
minus 3
minus 3, minus 1, and then 4, 2. Okay, va? Now I'll change the basis with respect to beta.
Why or not? Check it.
E3, E2, E1. So, nothing. Matrix will change. I should take only first E3. First E3, then E2, then E1. So, here also, T of E3, T of E2, T of E1. So, try to represent T of E3 in terms of E3 first, E2 second, then E1. That should be written as the first column. Right? Very simple only. So now, say what will be T of E3. You have written that already, right? I'll copy this. T of E3 is 4, 2, 0. Carefully, yeah? But while you are writing, you have to be careful. You have to take first E3. First in terms of E3. So it is 0 E3, 2 E2 plus 4 E1. Is it correct what I am doing? Usually first E1 you will write, but here you have to change all. 0 E3, 2 E2, 4 E1. So that T of E3 with respect to beta is, the vector is 0 to 4 instead of 4 to 0. Then find T of E2. What is T of E2? You can copy, you already calculated. This one, right? Minus 3, minus 1, 7. But this should be written in terms of first E3, E2, E1. Can you say how to write?
It's 7 minus
Have it
1
above.
and minus 3.
7?
Minus 1 minus 3. The coordinate vector.
7 E3 minus E2 minus 3 E1. And the coordinate is what you said is correct. 7 minus 1 minus 3. Then T of E3. Of E1 is 254. Oh, I habituated to write. Okay. So this is 4 times E3, 5 times E2, 2 times E1. So T of E1 with respect to beta is 4, 5, 2. So the matrix is T of beta is T of beta to beta. Order is changed. 0, 2, 4, first one.
For everyone. Both who got 10, they leave.
So can you see both the matrices are not changed, so are not same. As matrices they are different, right?
All the equation.
First
Yes.
I am writing this one, but in the reverse order, 0 to 4. Second I am writing this, but in the reverse order. Third I am writing this, but from the reverse order. Reverse means first 4, 5, then 2 later. So could you understand this question? Everybody? If you feel that I am going fast, please tell me. Everybody? Huh?
What will be T of alpha beta in this one?
Alpha beta, va? Okay, we can try that. Shall we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide once?
Yes. That is one side I'm taking alpha, the other side I'm taking beta.
Yes, ma'am. Like
Done, ma'am.
E1, E2, E3, and that.
Actually, that type usually won't happen because once you fix a basis for R3, both sides you should have the same basis. But anyway, out of your interest, I'm doing. So above here you should have E1, E2, E3, and here T of E1, T of E2, T of E3. But this should be written in terms of E3, E2, E1, right? So what was T of E1? Can anybody say? Already calculated, right? 254. So that should be written in terms of what? E3, E2, E1. So 4E3, 5E2, 2E1. What is T of E2? Minus 3 minus 1, 7. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you write this in terms of E3, E2, E1, because that side E3, E2, E1, right? Just changing the order. Tell me, 7 E3
Minus E2 minus 3E1.
Then A plus B square.
420, huh?
Yes, ma'am. 420.
So this is
A plus B whole square is
0
1.
E3,
A
2
square
E2 plus 4 E1. So what will be the matrix?
because matrix multiplication is not commutative.
This is equal to 4, 5, 2.
Matrix is only commutative.
7 minus 1 minus 3. Only change will be, see, here we changed the matrix itself. First we wrote this and with reverse order. Second we wrote this with reverse order. Third we wrote this with deferred order. But here there is only small change. We don't change the order of the columns. Only within the column we change the rows. This will become 4, 5, 2. This will become 7 minus 1. 3. Then this will become 0, 2. Can you see? That's. But better neglect this. Not needed unless or otherwise specified. Okay. We'll do something different. All standard basis. I don't write. So what do you mean by standard matrix? Standard matrix means if both the sides, your linear transformation, you are defining from one vector space to another vector space. If on both the sides, if you have the standard basis and the matrix that is rising out of that is called the standard matrix, right? Can you please take down this question? Can you try this 2 minutes? Everybody can try.
Ma'am, could you repeat what is standard matrix? Just
Standard matrix means, see, both the sides I'm taking standard basis, right? R cube also standard, R square also standard, right? And you'll have some matrix rising out of the. So far, whatever you have done, everything was standard matrix form.
A and B are two matrix. Belongs to W. It means A square is equal to A, B square is equal to B. Correct? Now, for substitution, first property is A plus B also belongs to W. Correct? When A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B. Correct?
Check. Are you trying this? Please try this.
Yes, ma'am.
When A plus B whole square is equal to
For R cube, yeah. Basis is
now A plus B whole square. What? A square plus B square plus AB plus BA. Correct?
for R square. Basis is
130.
A B square is
1 minute. Just you do it 1 minute.
what?
Okay. So for R square, the basis is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, va? So what you have to do as usual, find, always draw diagrams like this. E1, E2, E3, find the image. Then try to represent that as a linear combination of E1 and E2 here. Okay. So what is T of E1? That is T of 1, 0, 0. What is T of 1, 0, 0? Bache? It is 1, 2.
1, 2.
So how to write 1, 2 using this basis? It is 1 times 1, 0 plus 2 times 0. So T of E1. Shall I give some name to this? This is alpha. This is beta. So with respect to beta is 1, 2. Find T of E2. What is T of E2? Let's say T of E2.
-2,
-2, 1.
-2, 1. So it is -2 times 1, 0 plus 1 times 0. I'm using a semicolon, just like command separator, a line separator. So T of E2 with respect to beta is -2, 1. T of E3 is
For some example, it is okay. For some example, it is not okay.
0, 0.
0, 0. 0, 0, right? 0, 0.
No.
What is the matrix? One, 2, -2, 1, 0.
0.
One day.
Okay, shall I proceed? This one clear? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
There already. Okay, it is given. One more thing you can check. Whenever that happens to be the standard matrix, multiply standard matrix with x, y, z. You should get this. X minus 2y, 2x plus y, right? The same thing you had, right? You will get that. Standard matrix into x, y, z or x, y, whatever you do, you will get the linear transformation. Standard matrix actually represents the linear transformation. Okay, time is there. What is the time? Bache, what is the time?
12:30.
12:30, ma'am.
Check. Check. You have a class after this?
No.
Don't worry, I'm not going to take. Just to ask. Okay.
So, linear friendly is there, but direct or not, that you have to tell.
So only why 53 attendees today?